Mylord, the state government, Mylord, the state government, Lordship, the state government, Mylord, what has been Mylord, first, Mylord,
we will hear you finally.
Mylord.
It is deemed appropriate to hear the case finally.
Mylord.
The IA for vacating the interim order passed an year back on 25th February, almost a year back on 25th February 22.
Counter, they have given their supplementary, so there is hardly anything.
Somebody's are not there. What is this order?
Mylord, we have filed this application, the interpretive application, for recalling of the interim order, Mylord, by which, Mylord, it was permitted
It is on that.
provisionally give your Lordship. That is one of the, Mylord.
In the meanwhile, petitioner's application shall be considered.
Mylord, what happened, Mylord? Mylord, may kindly.
You are seeking recalling of this interim order?
Lordship, Mylord, may kindly see the interim order.
Is this interim order which you are seeking recalling?
Mylord, also, Mylord, the merits of the case against the
And we
order.
want to know whether this is the interim order or there is any other interim order.
This is the interim order.
That petitioner's application shall be considered provisionally.
Provisionally. Now, what has happened, Mylord? Mylord, may kindly see paragraph 4 of my interlocutory application, and also annexure A. Mylord, this was, Mylord, this proceeding was held in virtual mode. Mylord, we had no copies. It was not served. 20 days thereafter, the copies were served to us. There was no notices to us.
How is it affecting you? Please come to that.
Mylord.
This interim order was passed.
Mylord, then,
On 25th February 22. Have you not considered if there?
Mylord, with regard to one person, we have considered, because, Mylord, it was still pending, and, Mylord, so we have considered with regard to one person whose interview was held, other two persons' interview has not been held. Now, what, Mylord, what I pray, Mylord, what is, Mylord,
Shall we hear the case?
Lordship, Mylord, what I pray, that it is about the relaxation of age of nearly 1 year, Mylord. Now, Mylord, the age bar is sacrosanct. It has been held. It has also been, Mylord, affirmed by one of the, Mylord, coordinate benches of this court, Mylord, which I have annexed. The order also have annexed, Mylord.
Like to know.
Lordship.
Let
Let the petitioner, Mylord.
Mylord, the present writ application has been initially filed to accept the application of the petitioners after granting age relaxation of 10 months, 4 months and 5 months in favor of petition number 1, 2 and 3 respectively, considering the last advertisement was published in the year of 2014. That is after lapse of 6 years. And, Mylord, it is the government circular that is marked as annexure 7, page number 72 to 73, whereby decision has been taken to grant age relaxation between the gap of 2 advertisements. And in that light, Mylord, the Supreme Court has also decided and stated that if the authority fails to regulate examination every year, then the petitioner shall not suffer. And similarly, Mylord, in the case of Prabhat Singh, that is marked as annexure 8 and 9, the Honorable High Court has been pleased to grant age relaxation considering its last advertisement was published after the lapse of 11 years.
All right.
Mylord.
So,
Mylord, the state government, Mylord, the state government.
There is a
Lordship, the state government, Mylord, what has been
Mylord,
first, Mylord.
we will hear you finally.
Lordship. Then.
Taking into consideration the nature of the case, where the issue involved is whether age relaxation is required to be given to the petitioners for the period during which the advertisement was not issued, it was deemed appropriate to hear the case finally.
Mylord.
The IA for vacating the interim order passed an year back on 25th February, almost a year back on 25th February 22. Does not require to be
Mylord, it may be Lordship, at this juncture. And the
same shall be considered along at the time of final hearing.
Mylord. Then, Mylord, final hearing will be fixed in a very short date, otherwise, Lordship.
Pleadings may be completed before the next date. List this case again, March. Just after Holi.
Mylord, pleadings are complete here. We have given a counter. They have given their supplementary, so there is hardly anything.
Somebody's pleadings are not there.
15 March. Okay.
15th March is all right. 15th March is all right.
15th March.